Well, the CTSI really seeks to, and my role with them is the core co-director of the Recruitment and Special Populations Core, and the aim is to increase representation of everyone in the research process because we know that clinical decisions, medicines,
Hmm.
treatments, behavioral health strategies are all being informed by the research, and if we don't have representation from everybody in the research, then the treatments, the medicines, the strategies are not going to meet the needs of everybody because they're not represented in developing those strategies. They're not partners in the development of those strategies. So things like the CTSI advisory board is intended to bring folks to the table to help figure out how we can make sure that when we do recruitment and outreach, when we're conducting community engagement initiatives, that we're doing it in a way that's going to maximize our chance of pulling folks to the table, of getting everybody involved in partnering, and not alienating people or perpetuating distrust of research among our community.
But also sometimes it's just like folks just don't know like opportunities that are available to them to even be involved in research. And I think it also will just increase the effectiveness of policy when we're talking about medical and science research. Increase just the overall effectiveness of those developments because it's not just research being done on smaller populations or a specific population of people who know that research is even happening. So I know we've been using acronyms, and I just want to, if folks are just tuning in and don't know exactly what the CTSI board is, it's the University at Buffalo's Clinical and Translational Science Institute. I am part of the community advisory board for that, and we're just the community voice, folks who they bring in to kind of run things by and go over plans and just to make sure that like folks have a seat at the table with lived experience and people who are actually on the ground. So it's really meeting people where they're at in the community. And so I'm super excited to learn more about how I can bring marginalized voices and from out of the margins and onto the paper.